A warm welcome to all my dear little students in grade 3. Today I have come back once again with my English lesson for you. ඔන්න මගේ grade 3 එකේ පුංචි දුවලා පුතාලා බලන්න ටීචර් අදත් ආදරෙන් ඇවිල්ලා ඉන්නවා English lesson එකත් අරගෙන. Today is lesson number 7. We have come a long way. අපි පුතේ දැන් අද කරන්නේ lesson number 7. අපි හුඟක් පාඩම් ඉගෙනගෙන නේද පුතේ? අපි lessons 6ක් ඉවර කරලා ඔන්න අද 7 වෙනි පාඩමටයි මගේ දුවලා පුතාලව එක්කගෙන ටීචර් ආවේ. In our lesson today, what are we going to talk about? Today is Old MacDonald had a farm. Old MacDonald had a farm. I'm sure most of my little girls and boys must have heard about this. Old MacDonald. මගේ දුවලා පුතාලා හැමෝම අහලා තියෙනව නේද? Old MacDonald had a farm කියලා. ලස්සන නර්සරි රයිම් එකක් පොඩි කාලේ අපි ඉගෙන ගත්තා. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O කියලා. So our lesson is named as Old MacDonald had a farm. It's all about farm animals in Old MacDonald's farm. කාටද පුතේ Old MacDonald කියලා කියන්නේ? Old MacDonald is a person like this, who is an old person. ටිකක් වයසට ගියපු ෆාම් එකක් තියෙන කෙනෙක් තමයි Old MacDonald කියලා කියන්නේ පුතේ. Right? MacDonald. MacDonald is the name of this person. So he has a farm. Old MacDonald. He is a little old. වයසයි. Old MacDonald had a farm. And we are going to talk about that farm in our lesson today. And this lesson actually is for you to enjoy. මගේ දුවලා පුතාලට ඔන්න අද lesson එක අපි හුඟක් බර දේවල් ඉගෙන ගන්නේ නෑ. දුවලා පුතාලට ආසාවෙන් enjoy කරන්න පුළුවන් ලස්සන සින්දුවකුත් එක්ක අද lesson එක අපි කරනවා. There is nothing that you have to learn in this, something that is new. But we are going to sing the song, we are going to take a look at the words, and the song is going to be in a different style, and you are going to do your workbook activities with the things that you learn from your pupils book. ඔන්න මගේ දුවලා පුතාලා දැන් හැමෝම Old MacDonald කියලා සින්දුව අහලා තියෙනවා. අපි ඒකේ පොඩි වෙනසකුත් එක්ක දුවලා පුතාලගේ pupils book එකේ ඒ සින්දුව තියෙනවා. අපි ඒක කියවලා ඒකෙන් ඉගෙනගෙන අපි ඊට පස්සේ workbook activities කරනවා. So you have to have your pupils book and your workbook. Like the way you do every day, you have to bring both books and you have to get ready with your English lesson now. Okay, so now it's the time for us to move on to a pupils book. මගේ දුවලා පුතාලගේ pupils book එක අපි දැන් pupils book එකට ගිහිල්ලා කොහොමද අපිට අද මේ lesson එක පටන් ගන්න තියෙන්නේ කියලා බලමු. So what is our lesson? Our lesson is lesson number 7. Old MacDonald had a farm. Let's go and see what he has for us. Listen and sing. Listen and sing. So now you're going to listen to this song. Right? අපි දැන් පුතේ ඉස්සල්ලාම Old MacDonald කියන සින්දුව අහලා එමු. We are going to listen to the original song of Old MacDonald. Now in your book, it is a little different to the song. It has been given different colors to the animals, and today's lesson has to do everything with these colors. There are separate colors given for all these animals in Old MacDonald's farm. So we are going to go to each paragraph and we are going to see what the color of the animal, and then we will do our workbook activity. දුවලා පුතාලට ඔන්න පුතේ ඇත්තටම අද තියෙන ලස්සනට සින්දුව අහලා දුවලා පුතාලා ඒ සින්දුව ඇහුවට පුතේ අපිට pupils book එකේ තියෙන Old MacDonald song එකේ අපිට words වල පොඩි පොඩි වෙනස්කම් තියෙනවා. අපිට colors දීලා තියෙනවා සත්තුන්ගේ. අපි ඒවත් එක්ක තමයි අපේ workbook activity එක අද කරන්නේ. Right? So now we are going to start learning our lesson today. But before that, I want you to listen to this beautiful nursery rhyme. මගේ දුවලා පුතාලා අහලා තියෙනවා මේ සින්දුව. අපි දැන් ආයෙත් අහලා බලමු කොහොමද Old MacDonald සින්දුව ඇහෙන්නේ කියලා මගේ දුවලා පුතාලාට. ඔන්න දැන් අපි ඒක අහමු.
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a dog, E-I-E-I-O. With a bow wow here and a bow wow there, here a bow, there a wow, everywhere a bow wow. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a cow, E-I-E-I-O. With a moo-moo here and a moo-moo there, here a moo, there a moo, everywhere a moo-moo. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a pig, E-I-E-I-O. With an oink oink here and an oink oink there, here an oink, there an oink, everywhere an oink oink. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
Right, so now we listen to that beautiful song of Old MacDonald's Farm. මගේ දුවල පුතාලා අහලා තිබුණා නේද කලින් ඒ song එක? Right. So now we are going to go to our pupils book. ඔන්න පුතේ දැන් අපිට pupils book එකේ තියෙනවා Old MacDonald had a farm. So we are going to take a look at the words now, because with these words you have to be very careful, because you have to do your workbook activities at the end of the lesson. So now let's take a look at your pupils book. දැන් මගේ pupils book එකේ දුවල පුතාලට තියෙනවා මේ විදියට verses දෙකක් පුතේ. You have two parts of the song given like this. Now I will read you the first part of it, and then we will move on to the second part, and then we will see the colors of different animals, and we will do our workbook activity. Right. Old MacDonald had a farm. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Now the song that you listened, Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. I hope you can remember. So we have the words over here now. Okay, Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm, he had red cows. Now that is the difference in your book. On his farm, he had what? Red cows. And on his farm, he had red cows. E-I-E-I-O. Now what is the color of our cows in the book? Red color. What is the color of the cows? Old MacDonald ge farm එකේ හිටිය මොන පාට cows ලද පුතේ? Red cows. Okay? Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm, he had red cows. Now you have to remember. මගේ දුවල පුතාලා ඔන්න දැන් workbook activity එක කරන්න එනකොට මතක තියාගන්න ඕනේ අපේ animals ලගේ colors. You have to remember the colors. We had red cows. Red cows here and red cows there. Here cows, there cows, everywhere red cows. What are the colors? There were red color cows. Here cows, there cows, everywhere red cows. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Right? It's a beautiful song. Let's look at the words once again. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had red cows, E-I-E-I-O. Red cows here and red cows there. Here cows, there cows, everywhere red cows. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Right? Now in your pupils book you have this. Then you have another verse like this. ඔන්න පුතේ තව සින්දුවේ කොටස් දෙකක් මගේ දුවල පුතාලට දීලා තියෙනවානේ. ඔන්න දෙවනි කොටස. This is the second verse. Again we have the words Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm, he had pink pigs. Oh, pink pigs. What is the color of the pigs? Pink color. Now, what was the color of the cows? Red color. Yes, I hope you can remember. And on his farm, he had pink pigs. E-I-E-I-O. Pink pigs here and pink pigs there. Here pigs, there pigs. Everywhere pink pigs. Everywhere pink pigs. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. Right? So now you have only two verses in your book. මගේ දුවලා පුතාලට ඔන්න සින්දුවේ කොටස් දෙකයි තියෙන්නේ. Now we have to add some more animals and give them colors because you have in your workbook, you have to listen to the song, remember the colors, and then you have to color the animals. So to do that, we have to remember the colors of the animals. So now teacher has brought you my own little songs, the verses for you, and we are going to start looking at the words, sing the song like this. And I have brought you a beautiful picture. Now these are the animals in Old MacDonald's farm. We are farm animals. They are in the farm. Right? They are not wild animals. They are not sea animals. මගේ දුවලා පුතාලට මතකයි නේද? දැන් පුතේ අද අපි කරන්නේ Old MacDonald's farm නේ. එතකොට farm animals තමයි අද අපිට ඉන්නේ. Can you remember different types of animals we learned? Sea animals, then insects and birds and all of that, wild animals. They are not any of those. They are the farm animals. Can you see? This is a farm. These are the farm animals. We have sheep, we have hens, we have rabbits and little chicks as well. At the same time, can you see who this is? It is the cow. Old MacDonald has cows in his farm. So, and we have the horse and our cat is also here. So let's see how our song goes. Let's look at this. Now you have to keep in mind all the colors that I'm going to give you for each animal. ඔන්න මගේ දුවලා පුතාලා දැන් ටීචර්ත් එක්ක මේ සින්දුවේ වචන අපි කියවලා ඉගෙන ගන්න ගමන්ම දුවලා පුතාලා colors මතක තියාගන්න ඕනේ. අපි workbook activities කරනවා ඊට පස්සේ. Right. Old MacDonald had a farm. That is the name of our song. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. Now we are going to learn the colors of the animals. And on his farm, ඔන්න එයාගේ farm එකේ තිබුණා ඉන්නවා කවුද farm එකේ ඉන්නවා and on his farm he had red cows. මොන පාටයිද cows ලා? Red color, රතු පාටයි. Red cows. E-I-E-I-O. Red cows here, red cows there. Here cows, there cows, everywhere red cows. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Now what does this mean, children? Here cows, there cows, everywhere red cows. අතන බැලුවත් ඉන්නවා රතු පාට හරක්. අපිට ඒ කියන්නේ පුතේ රතු පාට කියන්නේ අර හුඟක් රතු පාටට තියෙන එක නෙමෙයි පුතේ මෙතන කියන්නේ colors අපි සත්තුන්ට දැන් ලස්සන පාට දීලා අපි ඒගොල්ලන්ව color කරන්න යනවානේ. So here it says red cows. Here cows, there cows, everywhere red cows. බලන හැම පැත්තෙම Old MacDonaldගේ farm එකේ සත්තු ඉන්නවා. So because it's a farm, we have a lot of farm animals, right? So first animal that we are talking about is the red cows. We have the cows over here, red cows. Here cows, there cows, everywhere red cows. Now can you see the color red? So when you have to color the cow, you have to color the cow in red, okay? Then the next verse. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on his farm he had what? Pink pigs. මොකද්ද පුතේ pigs ලගේ color එක? What is the color? It's the pink color. Pink pigs. On his farm he had pink pigs. E-I-E-I-O. Pink pigs here and pink pigs there. Here pigs, there pigs, everywhere pink pigs. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. දැන් මොනවාද පුතේ අපිට තිබිච්ච colors දෙක? We have red cows, we have pink pigs. So how do we sing the song now? Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had red cows. E-I-E-I-O. Red cows here and red cows there. Here cows, there cows, everywhere red cows. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. එහෙම තමයි අපි ඒ සින්දුව කියන්නේ. That is how we sing the song. So like that, you have to add the other words and sing. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had pink pigs. Now earlier we had red cows. Now we have pink pigs. E-I-E-I-O. Pink pigs here and pink pigs there. Here pigs, there pigs, everywhere pink pigs. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. Right. So now we have the red cows and the pink pigs. Remember the colors. We have to color. Okay? Right. Then I have my other animals coming in. Old MacDonald had cows and pigs. And who else? තව ඉන්නවා animals ලා Old MacDonald's farm. We are going to read them and see. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had black sheep. Who are the animals now? Black sheep. ඔන්න අපිට ඉන්නවා දැන්. Black sheep. කවුද පුතේ black sheep කියන්නේ? කළු පාට පැටළුවෝ. Black sheep. Okay. On his farm he had black sheep. E-I-E-I-O. Then we have black sheep here and black sheep there. Here sheep, there sheep, everywhere black sheep. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. Right. So now you have to remember the color of the sheep. What is the color? It's black color. Then we have the other animal. Let's read and see. Once again. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had brown dogs. Oh, what is the color? Brown color. Brown dogs. And on his farm he had brown dogs. E-I-E-I-O. Brown dogs here and brown dogs there. Here dogs, there dogs, everywhere brown dogs. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. I hope you can remember the colors now. We had red cows, pink pigs, then black sheep and brown dogs. We have 4 animals. We have some more to go. Let's see who they are. Okay, we have another 2 more animals in Old MacDonald's farm. Let's read and see. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. Now listen, okay? And on his farm he had white goats. He had white goats. සුදු පාට එළුවෝ. White goats. Remember the color, okay? White goats. E-I-E-I-O. White goats here. White goats there. Here goats, there goats, everywhere white goats. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. Right, now we have how many animals? We have 5, okay? With the white goats, we have 5 animals. We have the cow, we have the pig, then we had the sheep, and then we had the goat, and then we had the dog. So we have 5 animals. Next, what is our last animal? Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. I hope you are singing with me, okay? And on his farm, he had a black horse. Oh, black horse. he had a black horse. E-I-E-I-O. Now the color of the horse is black. Okay, a black horse here and a black horse there. Here a horse, there a horse, everywhere black horses. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. Right, so now you know the colors of all 6 animals. Shall we remind them once again? The red cow, right? You want to go back and see what the colors are? Okay, right. Here we have Old MacDonald had a farm, and in his farm he had red cows, pink pigs. Red cows and pink pigs. Then black sheep and brown dogs. Black sheep and brown dogs. Then we have white goats and black horse. White goats and black horse. So now we have all 6 animals, and we are going to take our workbook and turn to this page. So now we are going to do our workbook activity, and it says listen to the song and color. Now you have listened to the song. We read the song, we sang the song, and now we know the colors. Shall we take a look at the colors, and then shall we just remind what the colors are? Cow. What was the color of Old MacDonald's farm? The cow that we had in the farm? It's the red color. Okay, we are going to put them. Then the horse. I hope you can remember the horse. We have to put black color. Then how about the pig? The pig was pink color. Then the goat was in white color. Then the dog was in brown color, and then our sheep was in black color. So now we are going to put the colors, and you're going to take your color pencils. මගේ දුවලා පුතාලට නම් තියෙනවනේ නේද? ලස්සන පාට පැන්සල් තියෙනවා. ඔන්න ටීචර්ත් එක්ක එකතු වෙලා මගේ දුවලා පුතාලා color කරන්න යන්නේ. Now I want you to take a look at Old MacDonald's farm. In your pupils book you have the song. In the song it says Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had red cows. So we are going to color our cow in red. ඔන්න මගේ දුවලා පුතාලා දැන් ගන්න ඕනේ මොන පාටද පුතේ? Red color එක. රතු පාට. So now we are going to color the cow. Right? We are going to color it like this. I hope you can see. Right. Now we have the red cow. ඔන්න අපේ රතු පාට cow අපි color කරලා ඉවරයි. Then we have our horse. What is the color of our horse? Our horse is black color. So we are going to take our black color. Right? And on Old MacDonald's farm, there were black horses. So we are going to color the horse in black. Okay, right. Now we have our black horse. Then we have the pig. Can you remember? In your book it said, on his farm he had pink pigs. Okay, so we are going to take our pink color, and we are going to color our pig in pink. Okay, right. Now we have the pink pig. We have the red cow and the black horse and the pink pig. Then who else? Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on his farm he had white goats. White color goats. Now we have to color the goat in white. So sometimes I think you will use your white color pencil, or you can just leave it like that because it's already white color. මගේ දුවලා පුතාලට ඔන්න white goats කියලානේ තිබ්බේ නේද පුතේ? අපිට පුළුවන් goat ගේ ඇඟ මේ විදිහටම white color එකෙන්ම ඕමම තියන්න පුළුවන්. You don't have to color. Then we have our next animal in the farm. It's the dog. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on his farm he had brown dogs. I hope you can remember the brown dogs. So we are going to take our brown color and we are going to color our dog like this. I hope you have your brown color with you and you can color it nicely like this. Okay, in bright brown color, then black color and red color. Okay, right. Then our final animal, the last one, our final one. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O, and on that farm he had black sheep. Black sheep. So we are going to color the sheep in black. කළු පාටින් අපි පාට කරනවා පුතේ අපේ sheep. We are going to color in black. Okay, right? Now our little activity in the workbook is done. We have one more activity to do, but this, listen to the song and color. So maybe if you're in school, your teacher will sing you the song once again, and here you can maybe go back and listen to the song and come back once again, because we have read all the words. We know what the colors are, so you can easily color your pictures like this. So we have one more workbook activity. Now let's move on to that page and we will finish that. Come. Read and draw. Now you have to read and draw. What do we have to do? We have to draw 2 black sheep. 2 black sheep. 2 කියන්නේ කීයක්ද පුතේ? 2 කියන්නේ දෙකක්. 2 black sheep. Black කියන්නේ කළු පාට, sheep කියන්නේ කවුද? අපේ බැටළුවෝ නේද පුතේ? So you have to draw 2 black sheep over here. කළු පාට බැටළුවෝ දෙන්නෙක් අඳිනවා. ඔන්න දැන් මගේ දුවල පුතාලා කොහොමද ආසයි නේද draw කරන්න, color කරන්න. You have to use the correct color. පුතාලා දුවල වැරදි පාට පාවිච්චි කරන්න බෑ පුතේ. 2 black sheep කියලා කිව්වොත් you have to use your black color. කළු පාට විතරයි මගේ දුවල පුතාලට පාවිච්චි කරන්න පුළුවන්. So you have to draw 2 sheep. දෙන්නෙක් වඳින්න ඕනේ කළු පාටින්. So we are going to draw them now. මගේ දුවලා පුතාලා අඳිනවා. දැන් ටීචර්ට මෙතන අඳින්න ගොඩක් වෙලා නැහැනේ පුතේ. ඉතින් ටීචර් ළඟ තියෙනවා pictures දෙකක් හැමදාම වගේ. ඔන්න ටීචර් මගේ දුවලා පුතාලට pictures ටික අරගෙන එනවා. Right. I have my 2 black sheep. I'm going to bring them here. Okay. 1. Look at my black sheep. Look at the face. How cute that is. Right. So I have my 1 black sheep. Then I'm going to bring my next one. Okay. Right. Like this. How many have I got here now? 1 and 2. What is the color? It's black color. Okay. So 2 black sheep. මගේ දුවලා පුතාලා එතකොට අඳින්න ඕනේ black sheeps ලා දෙන්නෙක්. Because our color is black, you have to use black color. Right. So next we have another little box to complete. 4 brown dogs. Read and draw. So you have to read and draw 4 brown dogs. 4 කියන්නේ කීයද පුතේ? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many? 4ක්. So we have to draw 4 dogs. අපිට කී දෙනෙක්ද පුතේ තියෙන්නේ අඳින්න draw කරන්න? 4ක්. මොනවද? Dogs. ඒ කියන්නේ බලු පැටව්. පුංචි දුවලා පුතාලට ලස්සන චුට්ටි බලු පැටව් අඳින්නත් පුළුවන්. නැත්නම් ලොකු dogs ලා අඳින්නත් පුළුවන්. And what is the color that you are going to use? You have to color them in brown color. Brown color කියන්නේ මොකද්ද පුතේ? දුඹුරු පාට නේද? අපි දුඹුරු පාට බල්ලෝ 4 දෙනෙක් අඳින්න ඕනේ. මගේ දුවලා පුතාලා දැන් මෙතන අඳින්න ඕනේ 4 brown dogs. So now I'm going to bring my 4 brown dogs over here. 1. Okay, we have 1. Then the second one, that is 2. All right. Then 3. And the last one, 4. Right? Okay. So I'm done with my 4 dogs over here. 1, 2, then 3 and 4. Right? Shall we count them once again? 1, 2, 3, 4. So now here I have my 4 dogs. Shall we number them? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 4 brown dogs. Now can you see the color? It's brown color. Dumburu පාටයි and dogs la 4 දෙනෙක් ඉන්නවා. 4 dogs. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now in my previous slide I had my 2 sheep. 1 and 2. Right? So 2 sheep we have here, and then we have 4 dogs. So you can remember your numbers as well. You can remember the numbers and you can recall them and you can number them saying 1, 2, 3, 4, and you can remember your colors and bring them out here and use your proper colors and color the pictures, and you can draw them and enjoy. So we have come to the end of our lesson. Old MacDonald had a farm. That was our lesson number 7. So we sang a song and then we spoke about the animals in the farm and then we colored them and we have completed all our workbook activities as well. So it was a very interesting lesson. I hope you all enjoyed the song as well. Okay, so try to learn the words, sing the song, and maybe you can listen to the Old MacDonald Had a Farm song and you can enjoy yourself. So now our unit number 5 speaks all about animal friends. So this is a time for you to enjoy with the songs that are made specially for animals, and they are specially dedicated to little children like you. So now I'm very happy that I have completed lesson number 7 with you all and that you all have learned more things about animals. So you can teach your little brothers and sisters, your friends, and you can share your knowledge with them all about the new English words that you have learned. So with all that, I'm going to go and come back once again with my next English lesson for you, lesson number 8. Until then, bye-bye.